What's the meaning of Alt key? Alt key. Alt key. Alt key. Alt key. Alt key.
The Alt key is a modifier key on a computer keyboard, typically found on either side of the spacebar. It allows the user to access alternate versions of keys and shortcuts, providing additional options and functionalities when used in combination with other keys. For example, pressing Alt plus F4 in Windows will close the current window or application, and pressing Alt plus Tab will switch between open windows. The Alt key is a powerful tool for navigating and controlling a variety of computer applications, programs, and functions.